बाहर निकलते हैं। एंड अभी ये सेगमेंट जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, बिकॉज अक्सर हम एचआर को फेस करते हैं। आज ये एचआर हमें फेस करेंगे। रौनक, यार एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है जो, चाहे आप किंडरगार्टन का इंटरव्यू दो, चाहे आप सीएचआर का इंटरव्यू दो, काफी कॉमन क्वेश्चन होता है, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ। इसको जरा सा एकदम वेल डिफाइंड मैनर में आप बता सकते हो तो इट विल बी, आई थिंक, बेटर फॉर लिसनर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Yes, very, very, very important question, Biru, where people fault upon. They don't know actually. I have seen people where they just don't know what they are supposed to say about themselves. People sitting in corporate for interviews, all of us are say above 20, 21 years of age generally. And to not be able to introduce yourself is a very big red flag for organizations when they are picking up individuals. So, if you saw in the beginning of the podcast as well, I introduced myself in a very crisp way. Ronak had done the major part of it, what I've done, but I gave the other part of it as to what people don't know about me, right? So, I will not introduce myself again, but two, 3 points to take note of probably in your introduction is that, define who you are as a person, what you believe in. Say your name clearly. Sometimes people, don't even say their names clearly. So definitely people should work on their pronunciation skills, communication skills, confidence. Very important while facing an interview or while introducing yourself. So, say your name out loud and clear because that is what you're proud of, as a person. So that should be very loud and clear. So your name, who you as a person are, what you believe in, what you've done so far in terms of your educational background. Highlight the important, awards that you have achieved so far through your journey. Highlight your hobbies, what you are interested in out of the workplace. And last but not the least, you should highlight your strengths and weaknesses. So, a very important thing which people should do is introspect. That what are they good at? What is their strength and what is their weakness? And in the end, definitely close it out on a note that they are ready and willing to improve on their weaknesses. A lot of the times people say कि अच्छा ये weakness है, but they don't know how to close the introduction, right? So
तो
definitely close it on a positive note. So
तो
introduction, yes, just finishing in a minute. Introduction should be very crisp, precise, round up, 1.5 minute at the max.
ओके मैम, सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन मैंने
No,
किया,
no.
लेकिन आई वाज सो क्यूरियस अबाउट व्हाट यू वर सेइंग। सो आई नो आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे चुकी हो पहले, एक छोटा सा, एक ब्रीफ सा अपने साइड से इंट्रोडक्शन अगर दे पाओ तो लिसनर्स के लिए काफी अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज आपने जो फ्रेमवर्क दिया है जिसको फॉलो करना चाहिए, ये इसको आप वैलिडेट कर पाओगे इस एग्जांपल से।
Right. So just following through, as Biru, you mentioned, so giving a little example of my introduction, whatever interview I'm sitting in. So you have to be very clear in your greeting also, whether it is good morning, sir, good morning, ma'am, or good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I'm Kasha Shori. Very recently, last year, graduated from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, completed my MBA in HR. Before that, I've done economics honors from Ferguson College, Pune. Have been a very hardworking individual throughout. Won accolades. I was the silver medalist from the HR batch 2021-23 from SIMS. Won the Charu Kapoor Excellence Award. Was the best researcher. Currently, recently also, one of my chapters has been included in a foreign book. So I am on the path to being an author as well. Apart from that, my hobbies lie in music and dance. Just to name a few. Apart from them an avid fitness enthusiast as well. Always ready to help others. Kindness, believe in kindness and what the world needs at this point in time. And definitely, as I said, a quote that I believe in: keep your feet on the ground and your eyes on the stars. Closing my introduction on a note that definitely every person has some strengths and weaknesses. My strengths being that, again, I can be kind and helpful to others, but at the same time, strike a balance between things. That is the work life balance, which we all talk about. Weaknesses being I'm a human, tend to overthink sometimes, which I am trying to improve upon. So that's just a little bit about myself, and thank you so much.
Great. I think this
काफी
is a
किस
perfect
काफी
answer, I
किस
think,
था।
for the audience,
यू आर
right?
हायर्ड।